But grieving as a single mother, what does that look like? I grieve two things: relationship itself and the actual dream of having a nuclear family set up. Grieving the relationship itself, it comes with sadness, it comes with depression, it comes with heartbrokenness. It's just the worst. I don't get the proper chance to grieve or I think heal fully because I'm doing a million things. I'm working, I'm taking care of a child. It's almost as if I have to heal on the go. I try to make that time in the nights, when my baby's asleep, so I can stay up and think and just kind of go through the whole motions of after you end a relationship. It's not a good look. Second thing is actually leaving the whole dream of wanting to have a nuclear family set up. I was brought up in a single parent home, raised by my father mostly. I did not want to raise a child in a single parent home because I understand what it meant for the child and for the single parent, and it's very hard because you think about the emotions that